students! If you have appeared for JEE Main 2026 exam and want to check the answers you marked during the test, this video is for you. In this guide, we'll explain what the JEE Main Response Sheet is, when it is released, and how you can download it step by step from the official NTA website. The JEE Main Response Sheet is an official document released by the National Testing Agency. It shows all the answers you marked during the exam, question by question. This response sheet helps you compare your answers with the provisional answer key, calculate your expected score, and analyze your performance before the final result is declared. The response sheet is usually released within 2 to 3 days after the exam. For Session 1, the response sheet will be available shortly after the exam ends. For Session 2, held in April 2026, it will also be released within a few days after completion. So, keep checking the official website regularly for updates. Now, let's see how to download your response sheet. First, open your browser and visit the official website jemain.nta.nic.in. Make sure you only use the official NTA website and avoid fake links. On the home page, look for Candidate Login or Download Response Sheet and click on it. Next, enter your JEE Main 2026 application number and your password or date of birth exactly as mentioned during registration. Once logged in, you'll see the option View Response Sheet or Recorded Responses on your dashboard. Click on it, open the PDF file and download it to your device. Your response sheet will include your personal details like name and application number, exam date, shift, and paper details, question-wise responses for physics, chemistry, and mathematics, questions attempted, skipped, and the options you selected. Now, there are some important points to remember. You cannot challenge the response sheet itself. Objections are allowed only for the provisional answer key during the official challenge window. Also, remember, NTA never sends response sheets via email or WhatsApp. Always download it from only the official website. The response sheet helps you verify your answers, calculate your expected score using the marking scheme, identify weak areas and prepare better for future attempts. For every correct answer, you get +4 marks. For every wrong answer, 1 mark is deducted, and there is no penalty for unattempted questions. So don't forget to download your JEE Main 2026 response sheet as soon as it's released and analyze your performance carefully. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and stay tuned for more JEE Main updates. Thank you for watching and all the best for your results.